Hi, Omar from Carpetcleaning Pro. Another job today. Whole house. Cleaning it for a real estate agent for a client that's moving in. We have this area right here, which is the basement area. We're not moving anything. All we have to do is clean around everything. Soil level is low. This area. And then a bedroom in here. The lighting is kind of low, so. And then we also have this area rug right here. We charge per square foot for area rug. And we have these steps right here. Concentrate on that traffic lane right there in the middle. And then we have a flight of stairs upstairs with 3 bedrooms and a hallway. I'll be showing you that next. Concentrate on this area too. All right, this is the upper area, 1 bedroom, one of the bedrooms. Just have to clean around everything. Hallway, 2nd flight of stairs. This hallway right here. Nothing in that bedroom. It's all wood. This bedroom here, just have to work around. And also this bedroom here. Again, just cleaning around, the furniture. So I'm gonna get started in the basement. The clients and the agent are still here, so they're having a walkthrough. Usually, if we can, try to request that no one is here while we're doing the cleaning, because we don't want people to, walk on the carpets, track the flooring up, or possibly slip after stepping on moist carpet and then walking onto it, especially wooden floors, ceramic type floors. So this job was kind of last minute, but the real estate agent needed it done, so we came through for it. The cleaners just left the house. They cleaned the house, so now I'm going to go through and clean all the carpets. So it's not that bad. Maybe a couple of hours till I finish, but hopefully not too long. But I am waiting for them to leave. And hopefully I can just go start in the basement now. So, see how it goes. Omar, Carpetcleaning Pro. This rug right here is olefin, polypropylene. So if this was wool or like Oriental type rugs, something like that, investment textile type rugs, I would have had my rug guys take it to the rug shop. So this is a polypropylene and polyester. So think 90% probably polypropylene or olefin and 10% polyester. So clean it this way. I already did this rug right here. And then I'm gonna do these two and that rug. They're all the same fiber, polypropylene. Stay tuned. All right, so look at the rugs after I extract it. Of course, I use low pressure, so they won't have to worry about under the floor being soaked. This one. And the rugs weren't that soiled. These rugs were used like when you came from the driveways. I mean what I want to say. Forgot the word I want to say. Here's the other word. Here's the other the garage. That's what I wanted to say. So they wouldn't track in the dirt. So these aren't really. These were just walkways from the garage. Here's the other one. So came out great. Okay, I have the second level to do. So stand by.